Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Magnet Mastery. Today we're diving into a topic that's perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of investing. How to turn $1,000 into a profitable side hustle in the stock market. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or aiming for financial freedom, this guide will help you get started on the right foot. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to define what you want to achieve. Are you looking to build wealth for retirement, save for a big purchase, or generate additional income? Knowing your goals will help you determine your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Take some time to write down your goals and be specific. How much do you want to make? By when? Having a clear roadmap will keep you focused and motivated along your investment journey. Step 2. Educate yourself. Investing in the stock market requires knowledge and understanding. Take advantage of the wealth of resources available online, from articles and books to YouTube tutorials and investment courses. Learn about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and understand the basics of risk management and portfolio diversification. Don't rush into investing blindly. Take your time to absorb as much information as possible and develop a solid foundation of financial literacy. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. Step 3. Choose the right broker. Once you're ready to start investing, you'll need to open an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Look for a platform that offers low fees, user-friendly interface, and a wide range of investment options. Do your research and read reviews to find the best broker that suits your needs. Many brokerage firms offer commission-free trading and fractional shares, making it easier for beginner investors with limited capital like us to start investing. Step 4. Build a diversified portfolio. Now comes the fun part, building your investment portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Spread your $1,000 across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to minimize the impact of market fluctuations. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs to achieve optimal diversification. Remember to rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your investments. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Keep a close eye on your portfolio performance and stay informed about market trends and economic news. Be prepared to make adjustments to your investments as needed. If a stock underperforms or your financial situation changes, don't hesitate to sell or reallocate your assets accordingly. And there you have it, folks. A beginner's guide to turning $1,000 into a profitable side hustle in the stock market. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make more money and increase your yearly income. Until next time, happy investing. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.